Olivia from Crisbee. You may recognize us for all of our cast iron seasoning products, but we have something new in store for you. Introducing Black Mangrove Honey. Our Black Mangrove Honey comes from the remote areas of Mosquito Lagoon in beautiful New Smyrna Beach, Florida. The historical lagoon, world famous for its bountiful seafood, adds yet another one of nature's gifts. Mangrove honey is very unique in flavor and texture and is considered to be among the rarest honey. So, what makes black mangrove honey so special? It's the fact that the plant blossoms for 8 weeks, while most other plant blossoms for rarely 3 weeks. The bees' flight paths are carefully calculated to keep them in range in their pristine environment. Harvested directly from the hives and never heated or filtered, our honey contains active pollen and bee enzymes said to aid in the reduction of allergies. Our honey is new and available on our website, ready for you, crisbee.org. And as with all of our products, we ship free and fast in the USA. We love our black mangrove honey, and we know you will too.